सैलरी ऑफ सेकंड इंजीनियर ऑन डिफरेंट शिफ्ट्स. वेल गाइस, जब मैं सैलरी की बात कर रहा हूं, टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉर्मल शिपिंग कंपनीज. इफ यू आर सेलिंग ऑन अ वेरी वेरी थर्ड ग्रेड शिपिंग कंपनीज, योर सैलरी कैन बी वेरी लो. And if you are selling in very good shipping companies, your salary can be very high as well. So, and your salary as second year depends on types of ships that you are selling with and type of company that you are selling with. So let's just put across salary of second engineer on board ship. So now on dry ships, bulk carriers, containers, salary can vary from $6,500 to $8,500 per month, not $85,000. $8,500 per month on dry ships. It can go up to $9,000 if you are selling on, if you have got more experience. Then if you are an oil tanker, product tanker, chemical tanker, right, then your salary can vary from $7,500 to $11,000 per month. Say if you are selling on LPG carrier, LNG carrier, now LPG पे भी salary is very much similar to that of oil tankers. But if you are selling on LNG carriers, your salary can vary from $12,000 to $14,000, sometimes even $16,000 per month. Copied on LNG carriers. Now guys, this is all I wanted you guys to know. Last but not the least, if you have cleared your MEO class 2 exams and appearing for MEO class 1 exam, this is the package that you can buy from Merchant Integrated website. If you are preparing for MEO class 4 exams, this is your package. If you are preparing for MEO class 2 exams, this is the package. The link is in description box or in the comment section if this package has been built already. If you want to check your eligibility criteria for MEO class 4, MEO class 2, MEO class 1, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go for professional eligibility calculator MEO class 1, MEO class exams, fill all the details, you'll get all the things over there. Copied guys? Last but not the least, if you want to know all about MEO class 2 package, all about MEO class 2 exam details, go to this package. The link is in description box as well in the comment section. This is a free course with all the information that you need. The right information can help you open the lock to success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.